Assalamu alaikum learners. My name is Moazzam Ali and welcome to Data Analysis with Python course offered by MT Learners. In this video, we will be talking about data analysis and the scenario in which we will be playing as a data analyst or data scientist. But before we begin talking about the problem, we should first understand the importance of data analysis. As you know, data is collected everywhere around us, whether it is collected manually by scientists or collected digitally, every time you click on a website or your mobile device. But data doesn't mean information. Data analysis and, in essence, data science helps us unlock the information and insights from raw data to answer our questions. So, data analysis plays an important role by helping us to discover useful information from the data, answering questions, and even predicting the future or the unknown. So, let's begin with our scenario. Let's say we have a friend named as Sam, and Sam wants to sell his car, but the problem is he doesn't know how much he should sell his car for. He wants to sell his car for as much as he can, but he also wants to set the price reasonably. So, someone would want to purchase it. So, the price he sets should represent the value of the car. How can we help Sam to determine the best price for his car? Let's think like a data scientist and clearly define some of his problems. For example, is there data on the prices of other cars and their characteristics? What features of cars affect their prices? Color, brand, horsepower, or something else? As a data analyst or data scientist, these are some of the questions we can start thinking about. To answer these questions, we are going to need some data. In the next video, we will be going into how to understand the data and how to import it into Python and how to begin looking into some basic insights from the data. Thanks for watching this video.